This phone was affected by adware. After deleting all the cleaner, optimizer, antivirus, and so on apps, the ads pop-up still appear. The ads virus that keeps generating ads is hiding somewhere in your device. We need to look for the apps that is running on the background. Wait for the ads appear. To look for what application is running, press the recent button. By doing this, you'll know where it comes from. You will see the apps that recently opened. Different phones will be different looks. This fancy scenery wallpaper is active on background. This is the app that keeps generating the ads. Let's go to Settings. Find Apps. Now we have to look for App's fancy scenery wallpaper. This is the app that keeps generating ads on your phone. It's hiding behind wallpaper apps. Just uninstall the app. No more ads appear. If you find this useful, please hit the subscribe button.
At Telephone Puna, adjust Mari.